Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create a new event in Google Calendar. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you want to have the app Google Calendar downloaded onto your phone. And if you have it downloaded, you need to open it up. So let's say if I want to create an event at a specific date, I need to click on the plus icon at the top right, and then make sure that the tab is click on event. So I'm gonna name the event location and then the start time or the end time. And then once I do that, I will be able to click on the add button here, and it will show the event on the day that I set. You can also make it repeated so that you don't have to set it every week. But this is how I would be able to set any new calendar or event into my Google Calendar.